اللورياقيو حورار تمن صدا هالكران قدرينو نسي قبيضا halku badhigayay Hargeisa hadaloriyaqiyo hawraarta mansada halkaran qadarin loo eensiy gabayada halku badhigayay Hargeisa ييغا خبلديسيو إساق عام بحي ربتي لغو خبي فانكو هيركو كهدا ييغا خبلديسيو إساق عام بحي ربتي لغو خبي فانكو هيركو كهدا هويجي مرتديو هويدي أبوانكاي هويجي مرتديو هويدي أبوانكاي مركا خوري بريديو أمبالي السلام با هديت كاغا ديغيو واتو دا بدنته Hargeisa manabad ba واتو دا بدنته Hargeisa manabad ba hoyigi martidayo hoyadi abwaankaay hoyigi martidayo hoyadi abwaankaay marka hore bariidiyo ambaliyo salaamba hadiyad kaaga dhigayo waad hooda badantahay
Come on! just want to welcome the Managing Director of the Somaliland Beverage Industry so he can make a welcoming statement. Excellency Gaynor, let me just say welcome to the occasion actually so you can introduce to people what exactly we are here today for.
Good morning. Super One Action. Your Excellency, the President of Somaliland, His Excellency Ahmed Mohamed Mahmoud, the First Lady, Honorable Ministers, Members of Parliament, political leaders, religious leaders, elders of the community, members of the press, business associates, and distinguished guests. It is indeed an honor and a privilege for me to stand and welcome you to this wonderful facility that we have here today and to celebrate the official opening of Somaliland Beverage Industries. Amidst many challenges, I am humbled by what has been achieved here today. This facility not only stands as a testimony to Coca-Cola's belief in Africa, but it showcases tremendous courage by the investors and the many stakeholders that all collaborated to make this event and this facility possible. Perhaps more importantly, it symbolizes hope, prosperity, and aspiration for Somaliland and all of its people. Building a facility of this standard in Somaliland would not have been possible without the collaboration of a great many people. For this, I'd like to thank the following people for their participation and who played a key role. I would like to thank you and the Somaliland government and the various authorities such as the Ports Authority, Immigration Authorities, Ministry of Finance, Hargeisa Water Agency, local police. Your support for this project has been exemplary. Yeah. Thank you.
بسم الله واكو قرآن كي برلبطاي الحمد لله والثناء لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Your Excellency, President of Somaliland, the First Lady, the respected members of the Council of Ministers, members of the two houses, the House of Elders and Houses of Parliament, distinguished members from the Republic of Djibouti, Nathan Klumba, representing Coca-Cola Africa, families, friends, partners, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you. I'm delighted to welcome you to Somaliland Beverage Industries in Jalelo, the biggest investment in Somaliland thus far. The long road to Jalelo has finally become a dream come true after 28 years. Therefore, my wish to have a Coca-Cola company product in every Somaliland household. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to share my views on a vital link between the vision of an entrepreneur, the importance of regional integration, the youth that benefit from it, the much needed support from the government. These four are dependent on each other in order to have a vibrant regional economy. Let me start with a vision. A vivid example is SBI. It started off with a vision of my late father, Usman Farah. He was my mentor and a hard-working and a sharp businessman who once told me entrepreneurship is a mindset. And I feel proud to pay tribute to his memory. Ladies and gentlemen, regional integration creates a climate of shared values between the countries that involves creating economic values in a way that also creates values for the society by addressing needs and challenges. Youth is important. It needs to be attractive. The youth of Somaliland needs to be attractive to stay and not to migrate to other regions. Youth needs to be respected for their talent, for their energy. Youth needs to be given a space to grow and develop. Youth needs to be rewarded with long-term employment. The three above pillars can only bear fruit if the government in power gives unswerving support to investments like SBI. Such support can come in the form of unconditional protection against dumping. Your Excellency, allow me to conclude by saying the success of SBI is a litmus test for businessmen and businesswomen who want to engage in future large investments. One is already in the way. Some cable is on the way. The realization of this project would not have been possible without the contribution and support of all. Firstly, I would like to thank the Somaliland government for their support. I would also like to thank the Djibouti government for their positive attitude to regional economic integration. I cannot forget, thank you. I cannot forget BCI Merouge, a member of the Bread Group, who helped in part financing this project. I would also like to thank AFD for supporting this project. A big thank you, of course, to Nathan and the Coca-Cola team. Nathan trusted me the first time. The first time he trusted me. I'd also like to thank the Habshil Group for their unconditional support. Lastly, but not the least, my teams in Djibouti, the GSK Group, my team in Somaliland, OGF Group, who worked day and night to help me achieve this long-sought dream. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And waxaan jecelahay inaan u mahad celiyo madaxweynaha oo runtii taageero nala garab joogay intii aanu dhisaynay. Waxaan kaloo jecelahay inaan mahad celiyo oona marnaba la ilaawi karin odayaasha degmada Jaleelo.